Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find the missing auto rotate option on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, showing here my auto rotate option. I'm just easily turn on or turn off my auto rotate, but some device has missing this option and provide how can easily get back. So first time remove this. So let's get start. Click on to pane option, press on edit. At first time remove, okay, follow my available button option and find here auto rotate option. So look at this is the auto rotate option. Just tap on to add this, press on done. Now successfully add my auto rotate option in my shortcut. Easily turn on or turn off. So that's it.